这里的高人菜。
We'll be fine, man. Don't worry.
Yeah, as you go roll down the hill.
What do you want me to say?
Có phải một con cá luôn à?
No, nothing. It's nothing.
I think when it rains, water runs here. That's when it's really all gonna easy.
Hey, Daddy, let me take a picture of us. See all the rocks. It's pretty.
I have a video.
I know, but how fun song?
Oh, look! I think that must be the balancing rock up there. Look, it's just sitting up there.
Where? What rock? That little one?
I don't know. What's in there?
Nothing.
There's nothing in there?
Oh, you know, just rocks.
Looks so pretty.
It looks really pretty from far away.
Yeah.
Just rocks.
I was thinking there's gonna be like a long tunnel. Is there no tunnel?
No.
Is it?
That's it.
I was thinking there was like
Yeah, like all the way over there.
Yeah.
Look like a little chop. Right, look like a little chop.
I thought it was gonna be like in the movies.
I know.
Crazy. Okay, so there's nothing.
Something in the eye you haven't seen.
These dirt are really soft.
And there's sand.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but then they make your shoes dirty.
Yeah, it's sand. This is the eyes I haven't seen yet, only that.
Yeah.
That's all there is to it. Something different. Something different.
Wait, oh, you were hunting? And you just saw it?
So they just do whatever they do and then.
If a hell, it's a heart attack hell.
Oh,
That's the hill called Heart Attack Hill?
oh, that's why. Is it today or tomorrow? Tomorrow is February, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone just going faster and faster.
Yep.
Oh, 我就去想792.
Nóng đấy à?
Wait a minute, 66
Chị
to 24,
Chị
yeah.
chưa xa hả?
No, 792.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Daddy, chị don't know. This coming year.
Mm-hmm. Consider it is. You go by the Mazak, yeah.
Yeah.
Go by the number. Then go blow. 792, yeah.
Not yet.
792, 24.
Yeah, but not until.
Yeah, till September.
Yeah.
Man, you got my family, you keep that generation. Even got your grand kids still come here.
Great.
One, yeah.
Yep.
They still come here.
They will still come here.
If you would have leave your footprint here and put your nail on it,
Yeah, that's what
And they
people
come
try to
back.
do over there.
so say you put your footprint and you put your nail on it, and then they put a year. And when your great grandkid come here, it's that's like 100 years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be awesome, huh?
Yeah.
I guess if people don't want to do that, man, they should.
Yep.
Yeah, they should do that, man. Because, you know, they got here.
I'll stand in the middle of the road.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This is scary.
That one right there. That's what that one right there.
Some people are more difficult.
Fool or whatever. There's a lot of them. They're hungry.
Daddy, watch your steps.
Oh yeah.
Abby be so scared.
Last time we brought all Shirley and their kids, they all had so much fun.
Oh my god, these seagulls are.
They're not gonna land on your head.
No, I just don't want them to poop on me.
But Daddy, last time I don't remember this many seagulls. They're seagulls.
Look at these seagulls. They're even scared of us. Oh my gosh.
Daddy, you know why last time they were covered? No, your cover burn. No, that's why.
这小宝贝了，这是我这小心心背了。
I know.
What did they eat right there?
I don't know.
Scary.
The seagull just took the ball.
Really?
Yeah. Never enough for food for everybody. Take this guy, man. Look at this weapon, man. Yeah, I like to get some of these guys. Huge.
Cái này bơi nó là nọ hả à?
Yeah. They eat them all. Weapon only gets Oh,
What happened?
The duck took a small piece of slice of bread, and I said, "Why you just eat that?" He was begging me for it. I was wasting him. He already used all his bread. Yeah, he's just doing it like that.
Look at nobody wants it.
Like, go.
the fish is too slow.
Đầu tiên thì sao nó sẽ lên chạy ha? Are they seagulls? Are they seagulls?
Yeah, they're seagulls. I think they're seagulls.
Yeah.
That's someone else, the one I was feeding.
So you feel bad, so you want to give him some bread? Okay, let's go.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Oh. Damn it.
Oh, you can miss it.
Okay, come back over here.
Okay, Nadine, the mouth is so big you can missing it.
Oh, yes. Okay.
This one over here. Look how big his mouth is.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Like they know.
Yeah, they're waiting.
Oh, it went in his mouth.
Watch, be careful. You're not going to fail. Look at this one, phone. Look at this one, so huge.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that one.
See that big one right there.
Oh, the duck wants to eat my hand.
Here, come over here. Let's look,
Oh my God, this one here. Look at this one. To the down, no, Hannah. That one is huge.
here.
It's too slow. You don't feed it. You
They don't get to eat.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that one's huge. Look at that one.
That's the only way they're gonna get it. It's too slow.
Dunona, look at that one. Oh my goodness.
Sit up. Here's a big one. Oh. 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 Oh, he's hungry. He said, feed me.
All the birds are
Feed me.
eating it.
Feed me. He said, Leave me. Ah.
Yeah, sweet and sour. I think it's sour. I think so. Dragon. I always come here when it's cold.
I wonder how it looks like at night.
I don't know what that is. Is that a dragon? Oh, yeah. It is a dragon. Đó, the blue one, the moon, isn't it? Yeah. I think the moon is a certain China. See? Give me stop. Cái table nó empty ta lấy rồi. Hả? Ôi chà, nó không order the Caesar nó chứ nó.
No, there's another one. It's a lower one.
Nhưng mà nếu mà sợ nữa thì thấy nữa. Có chị mua dê, cái chị lấy mua lên mà. Cái này là tôi quay chị có video đó nè. Có bỏ, tôi có camera này, tôi thấy là nó report something. Nhưng mà sợ cái tôi thấy nữa. Rồi tôi thấy nữa. Cái air rất to. Yeah. Can we go through here? Yeah, let's go through here. Wait, all the Super Bowl logo in here. Be careful, don't blow on. You can một phòng game there for 2 tickets, yes, $69,000. If you just want like a okay tickets, like those like nosebleed tickets, there's $26,000. It's the year of the dragon, that's why. Yeah. Tàu lúm mò, hay tàu mò. Yeah. I wonder if she knows we're looking at her.